Hey everyone, thank you for watching. Today's video I'm really excited to do. I get to partner with one of my favorite brands, Sigma Beauty, and chat with you over some of their new releases that are launching today as this video goes live. We're going to be talking a little bit of skincare, a little bit of lip care, a little bit of dry skin help, which you know me in Iowa, I'm all excited for that. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video. A big thank you to Sigma Beauty for letting me partner with them on this video and getting to announce some of their new releases. So they are coming out with their lip care collection. I'm going to be going through the 3 new products that they are launching. I'm also going to be doing a little bit of skincare in this video. And I'm going to be using some of their skincare brushes, which I have had in my skincare collection for a while now. A lot of times if I'm doing masks, especially, you see me use one of the brushes from this collection because it's a big favorite of mine. So just a little bit of skincare, lip care. And one thing about their new lip products that they are releasing is that they are really focused on dry lips. And we are in January in Iowa. And if you need your weather report from this Iowa girl, it means it's cold outside. I was wearing 2 sweaters earlier and I was like, I feel like I've been rocking 2 sweaters in a lot of my videos recently and it might be getting a little bit out of hand. So I did some jumping jacks before I put on this sweater. I also tried to do my hair in a messy bun because I was thinking like, oh, this is like kind of like a chill and like skincare focused video. And you know when you try to do a messy bun, your hair is like, you don't get an actual perfect messy bun until it's 11 o'clock at night and you just throw your hair up so you can take off your makeup and go to bed. But first up, I'm going to talk about the new lip products. So we have 3 new products that are launching on sigmabeauty.com today if you are interested in them. Let's talk about the Daytime Lip Nourishment, their moisturizing lip balm. This one is going to retail for $16. It says, give your lips a healthy all-day glow with this universally flattering pH-activated lip balm. This is perfect to soothe, condition, and restore your lips while adding a subtle tint. So all of these products are actually going to contain jojoba oil, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E. So again, it's going to be really great for dry lips, chapped lips. Maybe you don't live somewhere where you have 8 inches of snow outside, you lucky dog you, and maybe you still have sunshine and sometimes you get sunburned lips. That is always the worst. The ingredients in all of these lip products are really going to help soothe your lips. Some of them are also pH activated, which means their finish is going to look different on everybody. So I have on their gloss right now and it pulls a little bit more on the pinky side on me, but again, it's going to be different for everybody. And of course with Sigma Beauty, all of these products are cruelty-free and vegan, and I do have my discount code with them if you're interested in picking up any of these products or any of the other Sigma products. If you missed my eyeshadow palette ranking video, I would suggest maybe you go check that one out because there's some Sigma palettes that I speak highly of in that video. But my discount code for their website is just Samantha. Lip balm is going to be a great one to throw into your purse. Again, it's that really moisturizing, it's very soothing, it leaves me with a little bit of a pink tint. It does also smell really good. I think all of the lip products in this line have a great scent to them. So the next product might be my favorite out of the line. If I had to pick a favorite, it would be this next product. And I got this collection a little bit early so I could be testing it out so I could make this video, and I've been using this product every single night as my sleeping mask. I always wear a lip product to bed and I always wear a lip product when I wake up in the morning. That's always how I roll. So I've been using that lip balm in the morning, and then this is what I've been using at night, their conditioning lip mask. This one is going to retail for $18. It says, get overnight lip therapy with this leave-on lip mask designed to soothe, soften, and replenish your lips while you sleep. It's a smooth, nutrient-rich formula. It's going to be long-lasting nourishment for healthy, supple lips. Again, I always use some sort of lip mask at night, especially right now, and especially with a broken humidifier in our bedroom, my skin can become really dry overnight. But before I was using a lip mask on the regular, my lips would literally crack and peel and bleed while I was sleeping. Like I would wake up with blood on the pillow, which is not always the most fantastic way to wake up. I highly, highly recommend, especially if you have dry lips, to add in a lip mask to your skincare routine. I added lips as a part of my skincare routine, again in the morning and also in the evening. And this is what I've been wearing for a couple weeks and it feels so nice. So the applicator is actually a little bit cooling, so when you put it on you kind of almost instantly get that soothing feeling. But the actual formula, it looks thick, but it feels nice and lightweight when I actually do put it onto my lips. It's not sticky, it's not goopy, and even when I wake up in the morning, there's still a little bit, like, I can still see it on my lips, and it just, you know, washes away as I wash my skin. But my lips feel good, they feel soft, they feel hydrated, there's no cracking, there's no bleeding happening, thank goodness. This one is really good. So again, if I had to pick like a favorite out of all these lip products, it would be the lip mask. Right, and then what I have on right now is just their hydrating lip gloss. So this one is going to retail for $18. It says, nourish and rejuvenate your lips with this tinted pH activated gloss, perfect for lip hydration on the go. It's a universally flattering, nutrient rich formula, provides a soft, healthy shine with a gorgeous shimmery finish. Again, this is going to be that tinted pH activated type of formula, so it's going to look a little bit different on everybody, because actually in the bottle it looks a little bit more of like maybe this peach orange, but on me it actually pulls a little bit pink all of the times that I've worn it. It is really packed with a lot of sparkle in here. What I like about this one is that it just feels like a very lightweight, again, non-sticky lip gloss. You can wear it with a lip liner. I have it just on my lips today right now, no lip liner, just so you could see it on its own. I'll be inserting some demos in here so you can see me trying out the different products, but I really wanted to do just like a bare face today since we were talking about skincare, but I have some other things going on, so I was like, okay, like I tried to like tone it down a little bit today though, if you will. But this is a really pretty gloss. Like, I like the sparkle in it because it's not too overly sparkly for if you just want to wear it on its own, and it just gives you that nice glossy look. And it feels really good. Again, not sticky. It doesn't make my lips like smush together all weird. Once again, it smells really good. That was one of the first things I noticed about the gloss especially, was that I think that it smells really nice. So those are the new lip launches from Sigma Beauty. Again, they are on the website now. If you are interested in purchasing the trio of all of the new lip products, you can get all three for $39, and the retail value is actually going to be $52, so you can save $13 if you want to try out all three. Actually, as my skin has been changing, as I've gone from very normal, non-acne prone skin to definitely dealing with a lot of hormonal acne, I've become very aware, especially with something like putting my fingers back into my jars. I've been really relying more on my brushes, especially for my masks, but even something like moisturizers. Been really trying to utilize the brushes so I can kind of stop transferring, you know, my fingers on my face where there's bacteria or breakouts, putting it into a product, and then just all kinds of bad things happening that way. My most used brush is the SO1 Clay Mud Masks. I do a lot of masks. I've been very much into self-care starting in the year 2020. Transferring over to the year 2021, and that includes doing skincare masks, but also with hormonal acne. A lot of times I do something like a clay mask, a mask that's like bright blue. Especially for those, I like to be able to use kind of like the spatula style brush, just so I don't have to be getting my hands in it and then it's all messy. It's just really easy to clean the brush afterwards. So in this video, I'm using it with my First Aid Beauty ginger and turmeric mask. I actually mentioned this one. I should have a video up of ranking all of my recent purchases. If not, it will be coming up soon. I mentioned that First Aid Beauty mask really highly, and I'm starting to get to where my skin is starting to freak out a little bit, so that's when I rely on that mask. And this is a great brush to pair it with. The other one that I use so much is the S05, and this is the moisturizer. So not only is this great, again, for not transferring, you know, my fingers back and forth into a jar, it also just kind of gives you that spa-like feeling. Like, you'll probably be able to see in the demo, I just like swish it over my forehead, and something about that, it's like, let me just pretend I'm at a spa right now. It just, something about using these brushes seems to like elevate your skincare game, or it can almost like romanticize your skincare game, your self-care game. If you want to have a night where you're really focusing on self-care, grab some skincare brushes, maybe light some candles, maybe put some music on, whatever it is that you want to do. But using the brushes does seem to like elevate it. Another thing it can be really good for though, in the demo I'm using my Milk Makeup Vegan Milk Moisturizer, which is one of my favorites, and it is almost gone. So instead of using my fingers, and especially because I have longer nails, and trying to get all the remnants out, I can use a brush and just easily pick everything up. So a brush is also really good for the products you're about to use up. The other brush that I have a demo with in the video is the S20 Eye Cream brush. Now this is a dual purpose brush. So I have a couple of these brushes. One I do have in my bathroom for my skincare routine. One I actually have in and where I hold my eyeshadow brushes. This makes for a great eye brush. You can use it to apply on the under eyes, fabulous. It also makes a really nice flat shader brush. So again, I have one in my bathroom. I also have one in my brush collection because it places, especially really sparkly or foiled shadows, places those beautifully on the eyes. So if you want a double whammy, this is a good one. The other brushes in the collection, we have the S15, the gel mask. So you could use this for a mask, for moisturizer, for an eye cream. Just like with makeup brushes, you can do whatever it is that you want with the skincare brushes. And then we have the S10 for the serum. So again, this is the most, to me, I feel like this is the most unique brush with how the bristles are, and it really gets tapered here at the end to, again, just kind of lightly spread everything over your skin. And then we have the SO2, the spatula. This can be really good for getting products, once again, out of a jar, so you're not having to put your fingers in. Just remember to be washing your brushes, of course. I'm not the best at washing my makeup brushes, like right after I use them. I kind of let them pile up, but for my skincare brushes, I wash them immediately after use. I mean, especially if you're using something like a mask, you don't want to let like a clay mask settle and get hard on this brush. So I wash them immediately. The upkeep is really easy. Like with their makeup brushes, Sigma has great quality brushes. These are my brushes that I got from their original launch, and they're still in great shape. They're great brushes, once again, if you just want to kind of elevate your skincare game, or if you know a brush could help you with maybe a specific need, kind of like I've been noticing once again with my hormonal acne. So you can purchase the set on the Sigma website, and it does run for $55, or you can also get them individually on the Sigma Beauty website if there's just one or two brushes that really speak to you. But other than that, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much to Sigma for letting me partner with you on this video to announce your new lip care collection. Everything's going to be linked down below. I'll also have my affiliate code listed, which again is just Samantha if you're interested in purchasing anything from the Sigma website. But I'd love to know what you thought of these new products, or how do you take care of your lips, especially in the winter time if you live somewhere where it's cold. Of course, would love to know in the comments. Other than that though, if you enjoyed this one, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I hope you also consider subscribing before you go, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.